Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are going to start the book exercise, right? And we are going to do which exercise? Lesson number 7, more multiplication. All of you open page number 104. Page number 104. Right? So open this fast. Now, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन दिया है राइट द नंबर्स यू हैव फिल्ड इन. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी देयर इज अ बॉक्स लाइक दिस. इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ पेंसिल लाइक दिस. देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. सबसे पहला नंबर दिया हुआ है उसमें 3, देन 6, देन वी हैव 9. दिस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन ओवर हियर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट हमें नेक्स्ट नंबर्स लिखने हैं. दैट वी नीड टू राइट. ठीक है, तो स्किप काउंटिंग यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज स्किप काउंटिंग. स्किप मींस हमें बीच से नंबर्स छोड़ते जाने हैं. राइट, हियर इट इज 3, दिस इज 6. ठीक है, सो दैट मींस हमने 3 के बाद 6 लिखा है, तो हमने कौन से नंबर्स को छोड़ दिया? 4 एंड 5. हमने 2 नंबर को स्किप किया है. राइट, 3 के बाद डायरेक्ट हम 6 पे आए हैं. 2 नंबर्स का गैप है. 6 के बाद 7 और 8 को छोड़ के फिर हमने 9 लिखा है, तो 9 के बाद हमें 2 नंबर को छोड़ना है. लाइक 9 के बाद 10 एंड 11 हमने छोड़ा. नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आएगा? 12. राइट, देन आफ्टर 12 लीव 2 नंबर्स 12, 13 एंड 14 हटके. सो वी गॉट 15. देन अगेन लीव. सो सब में क्या क्या डिफरेंस है? 3 के बाद 4, 5, तो हर थर्ड नंबर वी आर राइटिंग. वी आर राइटिंग द थर्ड नंबर. सो 15 के बाद 16, 17 हट गया. We are writing now third number, that is 18. Right, now in this way you need to complete all. All right, now after 18 there we have 18 के बाद 19, 20 छोड़ा. थर्ड नंबर क्या होगा? 21. After 21 we have to write 24. Right, so let's write down 24. After 24 we will write which number? After 24 I am writing over here. Now we don't have space here, so I am writing here, but in your book it is like this. Alright, 24 के बाद हम next number क्या लिखेंगे? 25 गया, 26 गया, so 27 will be the third number. Then we have 30. So we got the number. Right, we got the number and we got table. Right, हमें कौन सी टेबल मिल गई? 3 की टेबल. We got the table of 3. Right, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Right, so in this way we got the table of 3. Now see, there is a question, skip count and fill in the circle. Next question, 3, 6 and there is circle. Question is 3, 6, then there is a circle and then one more circle and then 15. ये क्वेश्चन दिया है. So 3 then 6. 3 की टेबल है 3, 6, then 9, then 12 and then 15. Now after that there is one more question, that is 12. Next question 15. Then we have 18. Next 21, 24 and 27. We need to write like this. Alright, so after 12 and 15 we will write 18. Right, next 21. Next we will be writing 24. So we have completed this questions. Right, now we will be moving to the next page. Let's start that. Now moving to page number 105. Right, now you can see there is a table. Count the balloons to build the table of 3. Now we have to make the table of 3 by counting the balloons. Right, so let's start. You can see here there is 3 balloons. सबसे पहले क्या दिया है? 3 balloons like this. There is 3 balloons. So now here it is written 1 multiplied by 3 is equals to dash. ये लिखा है, तो क्या लिखेंगे? 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. And here it is written in the next column 1 time 1 टाइम 3 इज कितना होगा? 1 टाइम 3 इज 3, राइट. नेक्स्ट, in the next column we have 3 and 3 balloons more. So now here it is written 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to dash. What is this? This is group. This is what? It's a group. There are 2 groups. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And here we will write 2 times 3 is 6. You have to do it like this. Now again we have how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups of balloon. In each group there are how many? 3 balloons, right? I am not making it all the time, so I hope it is clear to you. ये समझ में आया कि ये ग्रुप्स हैं. आगे नंबर्स में क्या लिखा है? ये ग्रुप लिखा है. दिस इज व्हाट? ग्रुप मल्टीप्लाइड नंबर ऑफ बलून्स. कितने? हर एक ग्रुप में कितने बलून्स है? नंबर ऑफ बलून्स. सो नाउ 3 ग्रुप, 3 और हर एक ग्रुप में कितने बलून्स है? 3. 3 3s are how much? 9. And here it is written 3 times 3 is 3 3s are 9. So this you have to complete, right? Next, 4 group of 3 balloons is 4 3s are 12, right? So 4 times 3 is 12. Clear? Next, 1 2 3 4. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times 3, 5 group of 3 balloon is equal to 5 3s are 15. And here it is 5 times 3 is how much? 15. Clear? So let's do in the next page the next questions. Then after that we have how many? 6, right? Let me choose the pen first. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 group of 3 balloons is equal to 6 3s are 18. Now here it is written, it's already written 6 times 3 is 6 3s are 18. Next, here we have how many group? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 times 3 is 7 3s are 21. So 7 times 3 is 7 3s are 21. We are counting the groups, remember that. Next we have 8 groups. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. In next we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am doing it here so that it takes place. Now 8 multiplied by 3 is 8 3s are how much? 24. So 8 times 3 is how much? 24. Next, 9 times 3 is equals to 9 3s are how much? 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. Understood? Next, 10 multiplied by 3 is 10 3s are 30. So 10 times 3 is 30. Clear? So complete this all of you, and then we will be doing the next question, fill in the blanks and that checkpoint. Done? Alright. So now let's do the checkpoint in page number 105. Alright. So let's do. पहला क्वेश्चन है fill in the circle. Okay. Now first है 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to circle. 7 multiplied by 3 is equals to circle. 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to circle. And one more is there. 9 multiplied by 3 is equals to circle. ये question है. So now we have to write the answer. 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are, you have to just multiply and write down. You can do by your own. 5 3s are, yes, 15. 9 3s are 27. Just you have to multiply and write. We have already done table of 3 right now. Now after doing question A, we will be doing question number B, right? So let's do question number B. Question number B is match the columns. Okay, there are total 2 columns is given 2 times. One I will be showing you how to do, and second one you need to do by your own as a homework. So this will be your classwork and second one is your homework. Write down that second is your homework. Now here it is written 6 multiplied by 3, 8 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 3 and 9 multiplied by 3. And here are the numbers 21, 18, 27 and 24. And here is 1 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 3. Here there is one flower, you can see, right? So this part is your homework and this is your classwork. Here also number is given 9, 15, 12 and 3. One is your classwork, one is your homework. Now let's match it. Use a scale for matching. 6 threes is 18. So match it. 8 threes are, yes, how much? 24. So match it. 7 threes are 21 and 9 threes are 27. You have to match like this. And this part is your homework, so do by your own. Alright, try to do by your own. And then we will move to the next question, that is multiplying by 4. आप उसी के नीचे देखो, there is question multiplying by 4. Now you can see that next question I am showing you. अभी हमने 3 से किया था, now we need to do by 4. Multiplying by 4. सबसे पहले दिया है there is how much? 2 boats. यहाँ पे आपको 2 boats दिख रही है. There are 2 boats and हर एक बोट पे कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं? 4. Right? हर एक बोट पे there are 4 children. Right? So now क्या लिखा है? 2 groups. 2 groups of 4 are 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 is how much? 2 4s are 8. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 ग्रुप, ये 1 ग्रुप है, दिस इज सेकेंड ग्रुप. 2 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4 are 8. हर एक ग्रुप में कितने हैं? 4. So 2 ग्रुप हैं, 2 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4 children is equals to 8. इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ. समझ में आया? All right. Now let's do the next one. Let me erase this part. It's not required. Now let's start. Next is there is 3 pencil or pen stand we can call it. ठीक है, इसमें already कितनी पेंसिल है? 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. I'm just making it roughly, so okay. So now this is 1 2 3 and this is 4 and here we need one more. Okay, I'm making it roughly, so just only you have to mention that 3 groups. कितनी groups हैं? 3 groups of 4 are कितना होगा? You need to write this, that is 12. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. How many groups are there? 1 2 3. 3 groups of 4 pencil. 3 group है and 4 pencil है. 4 3s are 12. So we need to multiply like this. समझ में आया? All right. Now move to the next segment. That means next page. That is 106. All of you open page 106. Now we need to do again that skip counting. That box I am making here. All right. So इस तरह से बना हुआ है. पहला नंबर है 4, then 8 and then we have 12. It's already given. So now we are writing the table of actually 4. हम 4 की टेबल लिख रहे हैं, बट बाय यूजिंग स्किप काउंटिंग. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? स्किप काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं. ऑलराइट. सो नाउ 4 के बाद डायरेक्ट 8 कैसे आया? 4 के बाद हमने कौन से नंबर छोड़े? 5, 6, 7. 3 डिजिट छोड़ने के बाद फोर्थ नंबर हम लिख रहे हैं. हर एक फोर्थ नंबर हम लिखेंगे. 12 के बाद 13 छोड़ा, 14 छोड़ा, 15 छोड़ा, then we will write 16. Fourth number, we need to write fourth number. 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20, then we have 24, yes, 28. Fourth number लिखते जाना है. Then 32, 36 and 40. We got it? We have completed? Right? So this is our skip counting. Or you can try doing tick every fourth number. ये जो आपको ऐसे बना हुआ है, you can see here, ये ऐसे ऐसे जो बना हुआ है आपका, आप इसमें हर एक फोर्थ नंबर को सर्कल करना है आपको. कैसे करना है? लेट मी टेल यू. क्या लिखा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They all are in circle already, but I am not making it. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Up to 30 I am making. Book में आपके 40 तक बना है. You have to circle all fourth number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 को सर्कल किया. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth number circle. Then 1, 2, 3. Fourth number circle. Let me erase this 13. You already circle में है. That's why I have done this. Let me erase this circle. Right? So you have to circle the fourth number. Then 1, 2, 3. Fourth number 16 आया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. Then 24. Then 28. So इस तरह से आपको हर एक फोर्थ नंबर को सर्कल करना है. Alright? Do it. और यू कैन पुट अ टिक मार्क. ये सर्कल ऑलरेडी है, सो यू कैन टिक लाइक दिस. आप इस पे ऐसे टिक लगा सकते हो. क्वेश्चन में बोल रहे हैं ना, पुट अ टिक मार्क. सो जस्ट पुट अ टिक मार्क. एवरी फोर्थ नंबर पे आपको टिक करना है. ऑलराइट. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सारे नंबर ऐसे सर्कल हैं, तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होगा? टिक करना है हर एक नंबर को. सो पुट अ टिक मार्क. ऑलराइट. सो कंप्लीट दिस and then we will be doing the count the leaves. Next question, count the leaves. All right, so let's start. Count the leaves. So सबसे पहले कितने leaves दिए हैं? हर एक उसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves हैं. ठीक है. So ये कितना ग्रुप हुआ? वन ग्रुप ऑफ 4 leaves. हर एक उसके branches जो different है उसमें 4 leaves हैं. तो 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Now here will be 1 time 4 is 4. You need to complete this. It's the same way. Next में कितनी leaves है? 4 leaves. और group कितने हैं? 1, 2 group. This is one group. This is second group. So 2 group of 4 leaves is 4 2s are 8. And 2 times 4 is how much? 8. You need to complete this. Students, complete it. It's very easy. You need to write the table of 4. सबसे important क्या ध्यान देना है कि this is what? This is group. ये क्या है? Group है. And ये क्या है? Number of leaves. Number of leaves. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves की 3 groups. We have 3 groups. So 3 groups of 4 is equal to 4 3s are 12. And here we have 3 times 4 is how much? 4 3s are 12. You know, complete this by doing all the question. ठीक है. ये अभी आप पूरा complete खुद से करोगे. You know the table of 3. So I am not going to do all the question. I was just explaining you. Now after that we will be doing the match the column. See below that there is match the columns. Right? In match the column again I will be doing one as a class work and the next one you need to do as a homework. Right? Always now I will be giving you homework. यहाँ पे partition दिया हुआ है किससे? There is a plant. Right? There is a plant and there are so many leaves in that, right? So this is the partition, so that you don't get confused, that's why I'm doing it. Is on page number 106. Completed. Now here is given 4 multiplied by 4, 7 multiplied by 4, 9 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 4. Here it is 36, 28, 20 and 16. Now match it. 4 fours are 16, 7 fours are, that is 7 fours are 28, 9 fours are, that is 36 and 5 fours are 20. This part you need to do as a homework. Alright. Now moving to the next segment, that is page number 107. अब हम लोग page 107 करेंगे. Right? Let's start. Page number 107. सबसे पहले क्या दिया? Multiplying by 6. Now we need to multiply by 6. Multiplying by 6. Now you can see there is a leaf. I am drawing it. Okay. 1 and how many? 2 leaves are there. And उसके ऊपर कौन से बैठे हुए हैं? Insectal, ladybug, right? एक ऐसे कीड़ा टाइप का बना हुआ है, right? You can see that. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 insects बने हुए हैं ना. That is ladybug, red color का है. So you need to just see this. I have tried this. It's not up to the mark, but I've tried drawing it. So just let's do it. The questions. You can see 2 groups of 6 are 12. Now कितने group है? 1, 2. This is first group. This is second group. So how many groups are there? 2. 2 groups of कितने इंसेक्ट हैं? हर एक लीव्स पे 6. 2 groups of 6 are क्या होंगे? 2 6 are 12. So 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. ये 2 क्या है? ग्रुप and 6 क्या है? हर एक पे कितने इंसेक्ट है? So 2 groups of 6 are 12. मतलब 2 groups of leaf is equals to 6 ladybug is equals to 12. Right? Now in the same way do the next one. क्या दिया हुआ है? We have table, right? You can see there is table. How many tables are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tables are there, and in each table there are how many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each table is having 6 books. 4, 5 and 6. Now, so 3 क्या है? Tables. 3 groups of how many books? 6 books. 6 books are 6 threes are. So next we have 3 multiplied by 6. 3 groups of 3 tables, and that is group, and 6 is what? Your number of books. So 3 6 are 18. So we will write here 18. Completed. And then complete the next question. Count the stars to build the table of 6. Here we have the stars. That twinkle twinkle little star you have heard, right? So 6 stars हैं हर एक ग्रुप में. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So ये पूरा एक ग्रुप है. 6 stars का 1 ग्रुप हुआ. So it is written 1 multiplied by 6 is equals to 6, and 1 time in the same way 1 times 6 is 6. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास स्टार्स के 2 ग्रुप हैं. इसके अंदर स्टार्स हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसी तरह से 3 स्टार्स के ग्रुप बनेंगे. Then 4. Right? So we need to count these groups also. So 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. And then here we have 4 group. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. In this way you need to complete it. And then 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is what? How much? 18. And 4 times 6 is 24. So complete up to 10, right? You can do it. And next question, tick every sixth number. You can do this by your own. Just do it. यहाँ पे ऐसे पूरे numbers दिए हुए हैं, right? You have to circle which number? 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There we have up to 60, but I am not writing. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Up to 30 I am writing. Book में 60 तक है. You have to put the tick mark on 6 number. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number ये हुआ. फिर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 30 I have done. Rest you need to do. You have to complete your book work. Next, last question, page number 108, checkpoint. Page 108, checkpoint. I will be sending you the PDF, but try to solve by your own, students. That will boost up your knowledge and you will be able to do by your own. First question is multiply. First question is multiply and write the answer. Multiply and write the answer in the circle, given circle. Now first है 4 multiplied by 6 is equals to circle. Next है 8 multiplied by 6 is equals to circle. Next 6 multiplied by 6 and 10 multiplied by 6. We need to write down this as an answer. So 4 6 are how much? 24. Then 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. Then 6 6 are 36. 10 6 are 60. Just write down, complete in your book everyone. Then we will be doing now question number B, right? Question number B. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes, right? Let's do it. First है यहाँ पे apple बना हुआ है, so need to write down. Now I'm drawing this apple and here it written 6 times. So now it's written 6 times there and here we have so many columns like this. Here again there are 2 questions. One is your classwork, second one is your homework. This you have to do. Okay. Now 3 equals and 8 equals and 7 and then 5 equals. What we have to do? We need to multiply and you have to write in this box the answers, right? So 6 times 3 equals to क्या होगा? 6 times 3 means 6 3s are 18. Now next we have 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 multiplied by 7. That means 6 7s are 42. Next we have 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. So complete up to page number 108. Up to checkpoint. Then exercise 7.1 we will do in next class, right? So complete these works. Alright. So complete your book and just all the homework and classwork you need to complete in the book and then we will proceed with the notebook work in the next class. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day students.